Anand, next time I'm happy to extend my Zoom subscription to Cosma. I have a paid subscription, and that will ensure that this doesn't cut off after a particular period of time. So the continuity gets lost when this happens, and perhaps we should go in for a paid account, which I have, and I'm happy to share it with Cosma.
Okay, thank you. Very good.
Yeah.
Hello. You can continue, sir. Now we are listening to you.
Okay, there are only 12 participants who have come in. Probably wait for another 2-3 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, should I go ahead? Yeah. Okay. So Khazi bhai has not come.
Asking what to do now. मैं उनको बोला अभी password हो गया. Nobody knows now what to be done actually. आप अच्छा है आप बोल रहे हैं. इसका account का कितना actually charges है?
I don't recall, but it's somewhere in the range of 8,000-10,000 rupees. 14,000 rupees we paid because we needed to enhance it to 300 participants. We had this IEC 61439 training, and we initially booked for 100 participants, but 100 got filled up, so we had to extend it. So we went on to 300 participants, which I think is around 14,000 rupees.
Okay.
So that has got 10.
Yeah, you can organize next meeting actually. So on your account, so that will be better, I think.
Sure.
That will be better.
Sure.
So this interruption will not be there.
Correct.
How many people are there now?
20 people are there. We were totally around 26, if I'm not mistaken. 21 has come now.
So you can continue, sir. No issue. Because everything is getting recorded.
Okay. So as I was saying, everyone seems to agree that unity is what is strength. And if unity is strength, then how united are we really? We are concerned that when we come together as Cosma members, we may also need to compete with non-Cosma members. So how fair would that be? So I think, I don't know whether it was Mr. Sudhir or Mr. Hari who suggested that we put the Cosma emblem on I think the host can unmute everyone excepting me. Yeah. So the suggestion of putting the Cosma logo on the letterheads and visiting cards, I think that's the best suggestion which has emerged out of this meeting. And unless and until all of us are going to be, bringing in some sort of a sense of solidarity amongst us, it's only then that we will have a better negotiating power in the marketplace. So that for one can be done. I would also encourage, when we buy a Apple laptop, Apple gives us the Apple symbol stickers in 1 or 2 sizes. And so that also is something which I think Cosma members, Cosma can take the initiative to freely circulate stickers of Cosma, which we can put it up in the entrance of our offices and various places where people see and then immediately understand, acha, ye Cosma member hai. And then when more and more people see it, then they feel that, हाँ, इसमें कुछ मतलब होना चाहिए. We should also become a member of Cosma. So, that sort of a feeling should come in. I was thinking that even in the webinar which I aired on IEC 61439, I had the logo of Modutech in one end, perhaps I should have put the logo of Cosma in the other end, taking permission from the chair, of course, so that it becomes that yes, a Cosma member is doing this kind of activity. So like that, even in our brochures, if we are able to bring in, apart from the quotations as what Uday mentioned, at every place, if we can bring in the Cosma logo, that's one thing I think is a brilliant solution. Yes, as far as the various other challenges are concerned, we spoke about bank guarantees, and yes, there are bankers who are very traditional, and then there are bankers who are quite innovative and advanced. So I think some of the solutions we have to delve within ourselves to find out whether there is a better way of doing what we are doing. When it comes to dealing with unreasonable customers, one is to look up to unity. The other is also to look up within ourselves in terms of what is the value we can put on the table in a better fashion, like Mr. Dheeraj said. And that also I think is very critical for each one of us to become better at what we are doing. So Cosma can, as an organization, come forward to address panel builders in terms of are you really working with the right strategy in your market? Have you thought through your various strengths and weaknesses, and have you positioned yourself properly? Because each one ultimately has different strengths and weaknesses. Are we being proactive in our business, or are we being reactive in our business? So these are certain questions which Cosma can probably address to its members and make them to think. Because end of day, panel building as a business is very much like a firefighting business. We are always taken up by the urgent, and the important matters gets relegated to the background. And that's another good thing which this coronavirus situation has thrown up. It's given us a lot of time to sit with ourselves and think about how we should be channelizing the energies of our business, how we should be channelizing the energies of our coming together in Cosma, so on and so forth. So I think this energy has to continue. I think it is very important that we sort of try to understand how we can keep this energy alive. Once our offices start, once we get onto our routine, it should not die down. And that's where the idea of best practices is very good. We need to have a listing of what really does Cosma stand for, and how as a group, when we come together, it would help us to survive, sustain and grow together. So I think a lot of good points have come up. I have made a note of the proceedings. I will share it with Anand so that he can circulate it to everybody. And it's important that we keep this energy alive. That's the bottom line, I feel. It's a good thing. We have thought through various problems, what we have had with respect to payment terms. I would also recommend that why don't we have the next session as what is the problem we are facing with respect to R&D. I feel if we move in this direction, it would make all of us to understand that end of day it is innovation and creating new ways of looking at the market. It is only in that our survival is going to depend on. There are panel builders who have decided to go beyond the shores of India to find their customers. There are multiple ways which we can reinvent ourselves as panel builders and switchgear manufacturers. There are, I think, when we put all our combined experiences together, that is something which I feel will make a phenomenal difference to the way we are able to look at our individual businesses. So I think on that note, I can wind up. I suppose I have covered most of the points which was discussed.
Yes, sir. We can conclude the meeting at this point, and Ramani will summarize these points afterwards to me, and then I'll spread. Thank you all.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello. Yeah, bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Have a good day, everybody.
Yes.